In this quick text-to-video tutorial, I will show you how I generated this image. It's not perfect, but it was created completely for free with Kaiber. I'm not affiliated with it in any way, but it's one of the best text-to-video AI tools out there right now. One of the best free image-to-video online generators is Kaiber. Okay, it's not entirely free, but you can use a free trial to see if it matches your image-to-video needs. Let's face it, most free image-to-video AI tools are low quality. I see absolutely no problem with a free trial, especially with lowest cost plans starting with just $5 per month. You can create many short videos almost for free with just this plan. Now let me show you how image-to-video conversion works. Once you sign up for your free trial account, click on the green Create Video button. Now Kaiber has 4 AI generator options. Let's start with image-to-video, which is available at no cost with the free trial account. Click on the first button that says drag an image here or upload file. Note, maximum size of your image should not exceed 20 megabytes. Here I'm going to browse my hard drive in search of a good image I want to convert to video for free. Okay, I think I'll pick this one. It's just a peaceful pond at sunrise. If you want to know, I generated it using one of the best text-to-image AI tools called Midjourney. I'm sure you've heard of it. If not, I highly recommend it. You'll find the link in description of this video. Okay, to get started with generating our AI video from this image I just uploaded, type the text prompt part into the plum-colored text input box here. This will reinforce the attributes of the image. I'm going to type peaceful pond at sunrise. Okay, now choose what style you want the video to be generated in. I'll type photorealistic. And now click on the video settings button in the lower right corner. Select video duration. It can go up to as long as 1 minute or 60 seconds, which is the same thing, right? I'll set mine to 30 seconds, which is half of the maximum video length possible. For camera movement, I'll choose none. I've already tried zoom in and zoom out in my previous tutorial. I want to see what happens with a still camera. And finally, select evolve level. Lower values will make your AI animation more stable, while higher numbers will make it more expressive and creative. I'm going to select the golden mean, which is the neutral value of 5. Okay, now click on Go to Preview Frames button. We will be given 4 different images our video can potentially start with, and we need to pick one. I feel like I like the first image better than the others, so I'm going to click on the first image. Kaiber calls it the best image for the keyframe of your video, which basically means it's the starting point image, or the first frame from which your AI video will start playing or animating. Okay, click on Create Video button, and all it is a waiting game now. I waited for 10 minutes just to generate 30 seconds of AI video. But it's so much worth it, considering we're creating a production-grade AI video from just our image and text prompt. And here's the video I just generated using free trial on Kaiber AI platform. This is just an example, and it's not the best video you can possibly generate with Kaiber. Try a longer, more complex or detailed prompt. Also try out the zoom in and zoom out camera movement options.